In this tutorial, we will learn how to create checklists in Google Keep. So let's start. This is my Google Keep. Here you can see all main menus in notes. You can create your notes. Here I want to create the checklist. Here you can see the new list option. Just click on it and here you can create your checklist. Just write it and enter it. You can add here the title and you can drag your checklist point. You can set as a subcategory also. You can delete it easily. Just click on the cross sign. You can use this below option to set your reminder for the checklist, to collaborate to the other person, change the backgrounds option, add the image, archive, and so many options. And just close it. That's it. Here you can see the checklist is ready. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.